We're going to turn now to Byron, who is in Homewood. Byron, we appreciate you hanging out late with us as well this evening. Go right ahead with your question, if you will.
Yes, my question is, I work for a large funeral home company. I'm assistant funeral director. I was on a service, and we was at a private cemetery or church cemetery, and they didn't have what we call safety bars across the grave. So we had some older gentlemen that were pallbearers. I think they were called the Freedom Riders. I think is who they were called. Well, we had to go over a headstone to get to the grave. And as we were going over the headstone, a couple of the pallbearers slipped. And so the casket was going into the grave, like straight down.
Wow.
So I grabbed it, and when I grabbed it, it pulled me. So that when I got back to work, I told them, hey, my back is hurting. I told them what happened, did an incident report, called Workman Comp. I went to doctor about my back. My back did get to feeling better, but about a month or so later, I started having problems with my shoulder. Come to find out, I had a tear in my shoulder. So the caseworker with Workman Comp said because of the lapse of time, they're probably not going to take my claim for the tear of the shoulder because I went to my private doctor and not wait on them for them to send me to a doctor. So how do I handle this?
Yeah.
A lot to unpack there.
Yep.
Darius, you want to talk about,
Sure. First of all, you did the right thing by going through workers' comp. All right, that's the way that you handle that. Now, here's the deal. So whenever you go through workers' comp, yes, they are supposed to handle all of your medical expenses, sort of going through the process. This additional thing, yes, a lot of times they will deny for lapses in treatment. However, once they deny, I think a lot of times if you can prove that it did come from that original incident, then you may have a claim against the workers' comp. So what I would do is I would contact an attorney as soon as possible to have them look into this because you could possibly have a claim as long as you can tie that injury to that original incident.
Yeah, I mean, no how, no way would I give up on this because if the work injury was caused by, if the injury was caused by a work accident, they need to pay you for it. And you didn't know at the time that you had to go to the workers' comp doctor on your shoulder. But if the fact is that it was caused by that work injury, which is very, very not even possible. I mean, that's probable what happened there. I mean, they're supposed to pay for it. So that's what lawyers do. They go fight for you.